Hey guys, hope you're doing fine. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. In case it's your very first time here, welcome. My name is Mwango, and kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Give the video a like and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about today's video. And guys, welcome to the capital city, which is New Delhi here in India. And on today's video, I wanna go and show you the ultimate street food that is available here in India. As you all know, India is one of those countries that they have amazing culture, more so when it comes to food. So we headed to Chandni Chowk market, which is one of the most popular markets they have and well known for street food. So right now we're just in the taxi. So also India, they have taxis. You just request, just like what we have back in Africa, the Ubers, okay? You can request, they come pick you up and take you wherever you wanna go. So yeah, let me take you along as we head to Chandni Chowk market and explore the ultimate street food, okay? So see you there. So guys, finally we are at Chandni Chowk market, and this is the first street food that we are going to try, and it's called Chole Culture. So the chole is the green grams, actually very well cooked green grams, as you all see them in this pot, and they look so delicious. And the bread is the kulche. So this is one of the most famous Indian street foods that you'll always come across in the streets, and it's really loved here in India. And this is how it's prepared. They add a little bit of some spices. As you all know, India is all about spices, and some lime and many other spices according to what you really want. If you don't want, it's also okay. And they mix it magically like you see there, which is really funny. Let me know in the comment box down below what you think about it. And it goes for as low as 25 cents. You're able to get this street food here in Chandni Chowk. So let me know if you're from India and which is your favorite street food here in India. So guys, we also came across this street food. It's gram chilla and bread. And one of the things I've come to realize is Indians really love bread. Almost all their street foods go hand in hand with bread, but it looks so good. And it's more of pancakes, I can see, but it has to be accompanied by bread, as you see right here. And it's also famous here in India. You can easily come across it in the streets, and from $0.25 US, you are able to grab a plate or a bite for yourself. So let me know what you think about it, and do you have this type of street food back in your country, and what's the most famous street food back in your country? Let me know in the comment box down below. Guys, you wanna try jalebi? It's too sweet, huh?
Yeah.
Too much sugar.
You can add rabdi with this. Rabdi made from milk.
So guys, now it's time to try Paav Bhaji, and it's also one of the famous street foods you can find here in India. So Paav is bread which the chef is cutting right there, and this is how they prepare it. They cut it into two and warm it with butter, because you have to eat it while warm, and that's how they do it. So as I said, guys, it's like Indians really love bread. Close to all their street food goes hand in hand with bread. Then this is the bhaji, to mean leaves, so it's made of vegetables. Okay, so this is how they get to warm the bread, and then it's ready to be eaten. Guys, right now we are going to this famous street called Parathe Legali, where you can find lots of chapati types. They have rotis and many other. So let's go there and see what we'll find. So ensure you subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about India's street food.
खाने के बाद प्लेटें रफ में डाल सफाई का
पराठा अच्छा 240 रुपये।
You already tested these, eh?
Yeah. No, this is
ऐसे टाइम पे बोल रहा है लहंगे बजा
go. No.
Look at these dogs, how they're relaxing.
दिल्ली पुलिस के साथ सहयोग है। भीड़ के समय लाइन में चले और अनुशासन बनाए रखें।
So guys, you wanna try chole bhature?
yeah. Chole.
Okay.
This is called chole, and ask one chole there. From this side, that side. एक छोले भटूरे।
भीड़ के समय लाइन में चलें और अनुशासन बनाए रखें। खाने के बाद प्लेटें ड्रम में डालें। सफाई का विशेष ध्यान रखें। दिल्ली पुलिस के साथ सहयोग करें। भीड़ के समय लाइन में चलें और अनुशासन बनाए रखें। खाने के बाद प्लेटें ड्रम में डाल दें। सफाई का विशेष ध्यान रखें। धन्यवाद।
They're looking so nice, eh?
कृपया अपने पर्स, मोबाइल और सामान का स्वयं ध्यान रखें। ये कचरों से सावधान रहें।
What?
I think.
So guys, this is Kachori and Chole. As you all see, it looks really delicious. And people here really love street food. And I always wonder if Indians cook back in their homes. Let me know in the comment box down below. But what I'm trying to say is Indians really love street food. Everywhere you'll just see people crowded eating, which is a good thing because, you know, it's all about business. So for a small plate like this, it goes for $1/2, which is quite affordable. And wow, I had to try it, but guys, believe you me, the pepper part of it, it's so hot. But again, what is Indian food without pepper? It's just like Nigerian food, okay? But all in all, it was nice.
It's not raw milk. Ask.
He will definitely say they
No, no. They can't make without boiled.
Let's go straight.
The parathe wali gali very famous here. I don't know where is parathe wali gali, but we should go there. Let me ask. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. ऐसे टाइम पे बोल रहा है ना लहंगे बजा Go. No.
They're looking so nice, eh?
कृपया अपने पर्स, मोबाइल और सामान का स्वयं ध्यान रखें। ये कचरों से सावधान रहें।
So guys, finally we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. In case you're new here, welcome. My name is Mwango, a solo female traveler taking you along my journey, and here is Deepak Apat. Check him out on YouTube because he makes these videos possible for you guys and for me. So until next time, but let me know what you think about the famous Indian street food here in Chole Culture market, one of the most famous markets that they have here in India. Okay, so until next time, bye guys, see you soon on my next one. Ciao.